Hi, and I have a skateboard, and today we're going to skate. So let's do it. Right over here. Wee. Okay, so I was from there to here. Kind of quick. Let's do it somewhere farther. Hi, Booba. Hello, what are you doing? I'm skating. What's that? I don't know. Okay. Let's go. We're ready.
Let's go. Oh, you want skateboard?
Yeah. Ah. Okay. And now we're gonna get on my bouncy ball. I have 2 bouncy balls. I have one over here and another purple one over here. The purple one is 22 inches and that one is 20 inches wide. And we're gonna bounce in the big ball and then in the small ball. Let's get the ball. Okay, sit down. I'm bouncing. I'm bouncing. Okay, so let me put the camera right over here. So this is my bouncy ball, and I'm gonna bounce it like very high. Bounce. Okay, so Boo wants to say hi. Hi. Can I bounce too? You don't have a ball. Okay, let me bounce. I'm gonna bounce now. This is the ball, and I'm bouncing on it. Ball. Where's my ball? Ball. Okay. I have a really big belly. Is the ball pretty? This is actually a way of transportation because look. So I'm gonna put my ball over here. So wait, we need to make it stand. Okay. Okay, like that. And I'm gonna stand over here. Wow. Okay, 3, 2, 1. Let's do it again. 3, 2, 1, go. And right into the safety bed. So I actually landed into Booba's bed. This is his bed. Me and my mom bought it at the loss. Okay. Let me see how high I can jump. This is the smallest jump I can jump. This is the biggest jump, the middlest jump I can bounce. Oh, are you ready to see for the big one? Okay, 3, 2, 1, go! Bam! Now let's get the little ball. Let's get the little ball. Hi, Booba.
Yeah.
I got these 2 balls. Wait. So this is what I'm gonna do. First, I'm gonna bounce into this little ball. It's a little smaller than this one. Okay, let's go. Okay, and let's go. Stop, squat, and put on the video. Well, okay. Now, how about we do this? I have a brilliant idea. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna put these 2 balls, so one here. So my idea is I'm gonna go on 2 balls, not on 1 ball like this, on 2 balls like this. Well, let's get going. Okay, I know you don't see me, but you're gonna see me soon. Okay, 3, 2, 1, go! Who wants a treat? Who wants a dog treat? Let me get the other ball. Hi, partner. Look, I'm so strong. Like this colorful balls, I gotta see you colorful balls. 2 balls. I'm gonna try to do this. I'm gonna send both of them. Wait, try to move farther so you can see, guys. Okay. This is stretching me. I'm a frog. Look at this, what is this? How are my legs even like this? I'm hopping on 2 balls. Can you believe that? And I can even sit on 2 balls. Okay. How about I show you how to do a bridge with a bouncy ball? So this is how you do it. So, this is how you do it. You get a bouncy ball, whatever size. So, let me get something first. I need 1 bouncy ball, 2 bouncy balls. Okay, so this is how you do it. First, let's get this small one. So this is how you do it. Do the same thing as you do. Kick over. I can't do a kick over. Well, I can do this. Now let's do it with the bigger ball. Okay, let's do the bigger. Okay. Now let's try this. I'm not standing on my head. Let me try this piece, but I did it. How about I try to do a bridge with 2 balls? This will be really hard. I cannot do that. Okay, let me try. I'm too close and I can't do this. It's too hard. But well, so let's go to the couch. So I'm going to show you one of my gifts that I got for Hanukkah. So, here is, it is a cupcake soap set. So you make a soap that is formed like a cupcake. See, so it has like those forms, it has those creams that are actually not real creams. Don't eat this. This is real soap. Got it? Real soap. See, this is just a picture of the cupcake, but you actually can make even cooler soaps. Okay, and I have one more thing for you. So, and I have this telescope, and today we're gonna use it. It looks like a camera. It's not a camera. Okay, there we go. Wait, let me see something. This is an X. It shows you where the place is, so you can just do this with this, and it moves it. Well, let's look in. The only thing I see is black and white. Wait. So, yeah. How about I show you one more thing, actually? And it's right over here. So, I have this cool fidget simple dimple. It's over this. It makes really good noises. This is the bad side. Okay, look. Orange, pink, yellow, blue, green. Okay, now it's gonna be like this. Orange, yellow, pink, green, blue. Blue, orange, yellow, pink, green. Orange, yellow, blue, green, blue, pink. Well, thank you for watching and see you in the next video. Bye.